Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to add money to Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on your device and log in. Here, tap the crypto you want to buy and tap the Buy button. You can directly use Moonpay or Simplex to add money to buy the crypto. Next, if you want to deposit crypto from other wallets, tap the crypto you want and tap Receive. Then copy the address shown and paste it in your other wallet. So that's how you add money to Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.